Today we'll find quick relief from anxiety and tension. Gently close your eyes. Sit in a comfortable position with your hands on your lap. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale out. Feel your body begin to relax. Let go of any tension. Focus on the rhythm of your breath. Allow yourself to relax fully. Feel the ground beneath you. Notice your breath. Slow and gentle. Let your shoulders soften. Begin to release any tension. Imagine a safe, peaceful place. See this place in your mind. Perhaps it's a beach or a quiet forest. Colors are calm. Surroundings quiet. Notice soft sounds around you. Feel safe and at peace here. You are surrounded by calmness. Now notice any anxious feelings. Imagine them taking a gentle shape. See them as a dark cloud or stone. Simply observe this feeling. Now watch as it begins to dissolve. Imagine a gentle breeze around you. Your worries gently fade away. Feel them leaving your body. Sense a growing lightness within. Now see a warm light around you. This light enters from your head. It fills you with calm energy. Feel peace flow through you. Carry this calm with you today. Slowly bring your focus back. Begin to feel your feet. Notice your arms and shoulders. Breathe deeply, feeling refreshed. Thank you for joining Zentali Meditation. Don't forget to like and subscribe.